Sarvesh Govindan. Welcome back to JuniorVsAI. Last time we saw where AI is everywhere in home, games, phone and even cars. But have you ever wondered how AI actually learns all these things? Let's find out in a fun way. Imagine this, you show a computer 1,000 pictures of cat. At first it might be like, is that a dog? But after seeing so many cat pictures, you start to notice pointy ears, whiskers, furry tails and boom! Now you can say, hey, that's a cat. That's called training. AI learns from example. Just like when we learn math or spell words. It makes guesses then check if it is right or wrong. If it is wrong, it learns from the mistake. So AI doesn't start to super smart. It becomes smart by watching, practicing, learning just like us. That's how AI can recognize face, play games or help doctors. Cool, right? That's for today's episode of JuniorVsAI. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech stories. Bye.